Good morning, students. Students, we have completed our 5 lesson, right? And I have already uploaded the. I have already started the unit number 6, the girl with a magic eyes. Right? I have uploaded in a previous lesson some hard words and the meanings. Now we will start our lesson. The girl with a magic eyes. Okay, now part number 1, the girl with her magic eyes. Students, we have seen that in the pictures that there are two friends. Their name is Devi and Riya. They are very close friends. Okay, we will start our reading now. Okay, Devi and Riya were very close friends. They spent a lot of time together. In the class, they sat together. During the lunch time, they ate together, and in the evening, they played together. They share everything. There are no secret between them. So we have seen that there are two friends. They are playing together, eating together, and spending most of the time with them. Okay, and there are no secret. It means there are nothing hide between them. Coming to the next paragraph. One day, when Devi was going home after playing with Riya, she met a strange man just outside her house. Now, what happened on the one day when Devi was going home? Devi is going to home and she met a strange man. It means unknown person, right? Strange man, it means we will not look before them, or we will not they are not our nearer or closer, right? Any relation, in any relation. Okay, so the strange man just outside her house, he see that a man who's standing outside her house. The man looked tired. He asked Devi, "My child, can you give me some water?" Devi looked at him and was slightly scared. Now, what he asked, a strange man asked the Devi, "My child, give some water." Devi is not recognize him, and he is for that she was slightly scared. It means she had a fear. The man looked threatening with his long beard and torn clothes. Okay, why Devi was scared? Because he she is not recognize him, and the man who look with a long beard and torn clothes. Torn means dirty or untidy clothes. Okay, students. He had next page. He had black eyes which seemed to hold her. She looked at him for a few seconds without saying anything. Now see in the picture, like image that the person is looking like that. He had a black eyes and torn clothes. Looking in the pictures, that what is the torn clothes, right? So she looked at him for a few seconds without saying anything. The man again said, "Dear child, please give me water. I am very thirsty." Okay, now again the strange man asked Devi to give some water. Devi shivered as she listened to his voice. Now Devi was shivering. Shivering is meant she had a fear, and when we have a cold and anything, we someone angry on us, and what we feel, we were shivered, like so the Devi was shivered as she listened to his voice. Slowly she checked her bag. Her water bottle was in the bag and it was full, right? So slightly when now she relaxed for a few minutes, and she checked that she has a bottle full of the water. Nervously, she held it out to him and said, "Here you are." He almost snatched the water bottle and drank all the water in a second. Now, Devi had some strong strength, and she take out her bottle and gave it to the strange man and told that, "Here you are." The strange man was very thirsty, so he snatch it means to snatch it means to catch the bottle and drank all the water within the second, because he was very thirsty. The man returned the water bottle to her and said, "Thank you, dear. You are an angel. Why don't you ask me for something? I can give you anything you want." Now, what the strange man do that? The strange man returned her bottle and asked a boon or anything to the Devi. Devi said, "Ask you, okay, why should I?" Devi said, "Ask you for something. Why should I? I don't want anything." The man said, "Come on, child, don't waste my time. I am very busy person, you know. Be quick. Think of something you want. I can give you anything you ask for." Now the Devi said that, "I don't want anything from you," right? Because he is a strange man. So the man again said that he is a very busy person, and be quick and ask something for the river. Devi was surprised. She wondered if he could give anything she wants. Why did he ask her for water? But she was too scared to ask him about that. She said, "I don't think I need anything. My mother has told me not to take anything from a stranger. Besides, I don't want to ask anything in return for the water I gave you." Now, Devi, for a few seconds, Devi think that if the man had everything, why he was asking for a water? But now she relaxed and she told the strange man that, "My mother told me don't ask anything from the strange man." Students, your parents and teachers also said that don't ask or don't take anything from the strange man, right? We already learn about that. Our teachers and parents continuously told that stay away from the scared or strange people, right? So Devi told the strange man that, "My mother told me that don't ask or don't tell anything to the scared man or the strange man, and I don't want anything in the reward for the water." The man looked happy. He said, "Very well. You are well behaved child who remembers her mother's words. You also have a helping nature, so I am going to give you magic eye." Now the man was very happy and he said that, "You are a very obedient girl, right? And well behaved or well mannered girl. So I will help you and I will give you a magic eyes." Devi said, "Magic eyes? I have never heard of any magic eyes." The man smiled and said, "Well, you have them now." As soon as he said this, he disappeared. Devi was stunned. She just stood there like a statue for a few moments. Then she ran towards her house. Now what the Devi said? Devi said, "What is the magic eye? I had never heard about that." Right? The man smiled and said, "Well, you have them now." And the man gave the magic eyes some boon, right? Magic power to the Devi, and he quickly disappeared. Now Devi was stunned. Stunned means surprised. She just stood there like a statue for a few moments. She see the man who was appeared, and she was stunned, right? Surprised. And within a moment, she reached the house. Okay, students. Now is the activity 1 over, right? The next story we will continue in the next period. Read the lesson 2 times, read the story 2 times, and understand the story. Okay, good day, students.